Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the letter case on the Word document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the document, and after that you should tap on this home button on the left side at the top. Here you can find this more font options button in the middle of the screen at the top, so tap on it. Tap on change case, and here you can find 5 cases. The first one is sentence case, so that's the default case. You can also set the lowercase, uppercase. You can capitalize each word as it is shown with this example or via this example. And you can also use this toggle case if you want to. So you can see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.